Here at the Bermuda Zoological Society, we have a passion for Bermuda's unique environment, an unmatched enthusiasm for sharing it, and a real hope that you'll join us in conserving our island home. The Bermuda Aquarium Museum and Zoo, or the BAMS as we like to call it, was established almost 100 years ago and has a mission to inspire care and appreciation of island environments. We all love wildlife, and with more than 3,000 families as members, the BAMS plays a vital role in BZS conservation education. We entertain, we educate, and more importantly, we instill a love for our shared environment. From here in the aquarium, you will discover a magical underwater world, from our shoreline to the deep. Every step brings you closer to a seahorse or a shark, encounters with our seals to sea turtles, reasons to protect them, and ways you can help. Our museum brings the natural history of our island home to life. It is an excellent resource for students of all ages seeking to learn about Bermuda's formation, its unique environmental niches, and our impact upon them. The zoo is home to birds, reptiles, and mammals from oceanic islands, and if you've seen the film Madagascar, you probably know that island is home to many exotic critters like lemurs and fosses. We want to inspire visitors and students to care about Madagascar, an island nation with a wealth of diversity, but in crisis because of deforestation. Your journey to the Caribbean begins with a flock of brightly colored flamingos, then the walk through aviary where free-flying birds and iguanas can be seen. You will be remarkably close to the animals, only 3 or 4 steps away, so beware. Next, go walkabout through the lands of Australasia, where tree kangaroos, fruit bats, and river otters educate the public about wildlife conservation from the other side of the world, and the delicate balance of animal species and their habitats. The zoo and aquarium are uniquely positioned to educate the public to protect wildlife, but that's not all we do, far from it. We were founded with a mission to inspire appreciation and care of island environments. Now, more than ever, that mission is vitally important, as we think that the greatest threat to our island is the belief that someone else will take care of it. At its core, it takes one student, one parent, one family, one school, and one community to affect conservation changes of our one world.
We have seen what can happen to wildlife, such as birds, sea turtles, and our delicate coral reefs when disaster strikes. This is why we are committed to preserving our island's unique ecosystem through research and conservation projects. Here are just a few. The research efforts of the Bermuda Turtle Project are focused on filling in the information gaps on green turtle biology so that successful protection may be given to these vanishing animals. Bermuda is one location where immature green turtles occur in the complete absence of adults, and may be the best site in the world where the little understood juvenile stage of green turtles can be studied in their natural habitat. The BZS, in partnership with BAMS, launched the Biodiversity Project in 1997. This represented the first attempt to create a comprehensive information management system for Bermuda's natural resources. Today, we act as fiduciary for BOP, the Bermuda Ocean Prosperity Program, the Wetlands Remediation Project, and the Cahao Recovery Project. In addition, we are an active partner in Bermuda's amphibian and shark projects. The rapid invasion of lionfish has put Bermuda's marine ecosystem in jeopardy, the effects of which could wreak havoc on our commercial fishing industry and seriously impact tourism. We are working with others to control this growing threat. BZS recently joined the Seagrass Restoration Project to rehabilitate and conserve seagrass meadows, vital for sea turtles that depend on the meadows for food and shelter. Did you know seagrass captures carbon up to 35 times faster than tropical rainforests? And it is an incredible tool in the fight against climate change. Whatever your specific interest, from small amphibians to large humpback whales, we're almost certain to have something in common.
The BZS held its first biennial youth conference on the environment in the year 2000. Each subsequent conference provided a unique insight into the dynamic world of science through experiential learning, guest lectures, and networking opportunities with leaders from the global and local conservation and science community. Through educational programs that meet public and private school curriculum standards, BZS classes focus on important environmental issues of today and inspire future conservationists. Our living classroom on Trunk Island lets students explore many of Bermuda's habitats, including a rare early palmetto forest, sandy and rocky coast, seagrass beds, and the bioerosional notch, an ecosystem unique to Harrington Sound. For high school and university students, the BZS funds environmental scholarships and internships, in addition to junior volunteer and junior staff programs. It is possible to work alongside staff and science professionals, engage with the public, and learn valuable terrestrial and marine conservation skills through these exceptional opportunities.